everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create a spinning photo frame intro. If you are interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. Click this button to enter the settings menu. Find background and change it to green. Click down to return to the main interface. Click here to create a text layer. Enter a space in the input box. And click here to take a screenshot of the screen. Re-import the folder back into VideoProc Vlogger. Delete the text material on the timeline, and then import a plain green image into the overlay track. Click Effects in the upper left corner and drag border onto the timeline. In Inspector on the right, find Scope and uncheck Apply to Canvas. Select the material in the overlay track and adjust the size parameters appropriately. Then, adjust the size and position of the image in the preview window. Next, take another screenshot of the screen and import the image back into VideoProc Vlogger. Delete all the layers on the timeline and re-import the image you just created into the overlay track, making it fit to the screen. Click here to enter the motion editor. In the first frame, add a keyframe and make the box fit to the screen. Rotate the box about 15 degrees and move it down to the left until it completely moves off the screen. Add a second keyframe at 1 second, bringing the box back to its original position. Change the speed to speed down, and click Apply to return to the main interface. Then change the blend mode to lighter. Create 4 new overlay tracks. Use copy and paste to duplicate the same layer across all the tracks. And then adjust the positions and rotation angles, staggering them in an orderly way. Once completed, we can export the video. Next, change the background color of the video to black and drag the playhead to a spot where there are no materials. Create a new text layer. Input some words. Adjust the font and size. And take a screenshot of the text. Next, create a new project. Import the text image and the video you just made back into VideoProc Vlogger, along with some video materials. Create 2 new overlay tracks. Place the video material, green screen material, and text image into the overlay tracks in sequence, and fit them to screen. Select the video material. Find Fade In and check the box, adjusting duration to around 0.5. Select the green screen material. Use chroma-key to remove the green screen. And find Transform, slightly increase the scale value, and adjust rotation to add a bit of spin to the image. Finally, select the text image, then change the blend mode to lighter. Enter the motion editor. Add a keyframe in the first frame. And place one corner of the box inside the text. Hold a diagonal handle and shrink the box to its smallest size. At this point, the screen on the right should be all white, and change the rotation to 60 degrees. Then, at 1 second mark, add a second keyframe, restoring the box to its original position. Adjust the speed to speed up, and click Apply to return to the main interface. Next, find Fade and Move, check Fade In, and adjust the duration to 0.5. Follow this method for the other elements, and finally, you will have this spinning frame intro. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you want to know more about the other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.